Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to dermaplane my face. For those of y'all that don't know what dermaplaning is basically taking the peach fuzz and top layer of dead skin cells off of your face. Of course, dermaplaning ranges from $75 to $150 plus, depending on where you live. Of course, I'm going to show you how to do it for next to nothing. So, let's get started. The first step in dermaplaning your face, of course, is make sure you don't have any makeup, any kind of product on your face. I just got done washing my face and pat my face dry with a towel. And of course, the really only product you need is an eyebrow shaver. So you can get this at any CVS, Ulta, you name it. They're like about $5 for a 3-pack. Of course, they come in different sizes. I like the smaller one just because I can get a more precise area. So I'm going to show you how I do mine. Now the next step is to grab your eyebrow shaver, and of course I just tug on my skin, pulling it tight, and then do downward strokes with my eyebrow shaver. So what I'm going to do is just hold my skin tight and then just do downward motions. And as you can tell, you can see a bunch of peach fuzz and of course dead skin cells on my eyebrow shaver. Alright, now I'm going to continue doing my face. And that is how I dermaplane my face. Of course, I wash my face after dermaplaning just to make sure I cleanse my face so it's good to go. Until next time, bye guys.